Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. We've been coming to you live from the 34th Annual Futures and Options Expo in Chicago. Joining me live at Nasdaq's booth 427, we have Morgan Slade. He is the CEO of CloudQuant, and we're going to look at new talent trends and new data sets. Before we can get the new data sets, we need to focus on new talent. So my question to you is, Morgan, what are you looking for as we bring new talent on board?
We've created a platform that allows anybody in the world with an internet connection to do institutional-grade research with alternative data sets. We give them the same platform we have that we use to run our fund, available on the internet.
So it's not like you necessarily have to go from an Ivy League school, plug and play into that Wall Street mindset. You're actually looking for something a little bit different.
That's exactly right. In fact, the reason we set this up is because it is so difficult for most people to even get a job interview on Wall Street, much less dream of getting a career there. So we've leveled the playing field by creating this platform where anybody with an internet connection, and right now we have people from 160 countries on the platform, can come to our platform and do research. And what they're able to do then is if they find something that's interesting that makes money, we will actually license that from them. We'll operate that for them on a day-to-day basis and pay them a share of profits.
So it's almost like you're looking for smaller data sets instead of having one group do a large data project. And it allows you, I guess, to be more efficient with the process as well in terms of back testing and so forth.
That's exactly right. In fact, we're trying to break the process of creating investment strategies down into smaller pieces so that pretty much anybody can find a piece that's just right for them and is a good fit for their skill set.
What about alternative data? How are you using that?
Well, we think that's really the fuel that makes the engine, run. We think that the more alternative data, the more alpha signals, the more edge we're going to have in our investment strategies. So we're trying to bring together the loads of alternative data sets from large vendors together into one place where we can expose that to the crowd research team and overcome the limitations of manpower that the industry has.
Well, it's always been, there's big barriers into getting into this industry. It sounds as if CloudQuant is helping to break down some of those barriers and make it more accessible. Is that right in saying?
Absolutely. We have people who are college professors, we have people who are experienced traders, and we have kids in high school who log in and start doing research right away on the platform.
So you don't necessarily have to go to that B-school sort of format within your education anymore to participate in the financial services industry.
I'm certainly not going to say it doesn't help. It certainly does help to have some context, but certainly anybody who's creative and has new ideas and has some technical background can find a way to contribute.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us at the Nasdaq booth, and thank you for joining me throughout the day. We're coming to you live from the 34th FIA Expo. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Market